Jîmmy JV51 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. 400-watt high-efficiency digital motor. Generates 125 air watts super suction power and great cleaning performance. Quickly clean up fine dust and big debris from floor and carpet. Electric mattress head removes dust mites from bed. Two suction mode for different cleaning tasks. With different tools combination, easy to complete whole house cleaning, even the hard-to-reach areas. Long battery life provides 45 minutes long run time. A press of the button to empty dirt cup. Jîmmy, leading the future with extraordinary technology.